This is an Athearn GP40-2 diesel locomotive. It's a sound locomotive equipped with a Tusnami2 sound decoder. The prime mover's a turbocharged diesel, so that's the sound you will hear. I'm going to run it through its paces, kind of show you what it has, show some of the sounds, and let you learn a little bit about this locomotive. So I'm going to start up. The default with this locomotive is set to when the power comes on, it starts up. You can change that with a CV to where it will only start up once you apply power to the locomotive, not the track coming on. So let me turn it to speed step 1. There's the horn, bell, there's numerous horn and bell sounds. Horns have quite another. Default is the one that came with the prototypical locomotive. I've changed that because I like the sound of that horn. The bell, same thing, has different bells and different speeds. Let me turn on the headlight. Now we'll get it rolling forward here. You will hear it kind of, the prime mover kind of ramp up before as it rolls. And that directional horn sound is something that you can set. That again is not a default. That is something you can set in the CV so that it sounds automatically. And that's the brake squeal. That again is not a default. That is something you can set. Okay, now we'll change direction. There you sound the 3-horn directional sound. See, the light changes direction as well, automatically. Alright, now I'll take it around so you can hear what it sounds like up at higher speed. The first thing you'll want to do is change the default level of sound. It's way too loud. There's a master sound and there's individual sounds for each item that has sound. So you can set those levels individually from the master. Some other sounds that it has. Now we had the bell. F3 in this is actually the shorter. The 1 is the long horn. F3 is a short. That's kind of the signal. That's the signal horn. It does have dynamic brakes. I have it set to not really do anything, so that it just sounds. There's the dynamic brake. It's the dynamic brake is just the sound. I believe there is settings that you can set in CVs that actually make the dynamic brake do something. What else do we have here? Oh, F8 mutes the sound. That's just an on-off. And you press A, starts up. There is no shutdown sequence with it. There's a couple uncouple. There's a fuel loading sequence, kind of interesting. I guess that's the sound of the fuel tank being open, fuel being put in. And when you hit it again, sound of the fuel being stopped and the cap being closed. So that's pretty much what we got here with this. Again, this is an Athearn GP40-2 with a Tusnami2 sound decoder.